Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we've got a unique device. This is the Crown M Pod Mod from Uwell. This one's going to be in orange, but it comes in blue, brown, and black as well. On the outside you'll find the base features like the firing button, the air adjustment slider, but you also have the wattage adjuster at the top. And that's a clicky dial that's really fun to use. Now the pod itself is very unique. Fully transparent so you know how much juice is exactly in your coil. Easy to fill with a rubber stopper at the top, and comes with a pre-installed Twin-Coil. What's unique about this coil is it has two parts that can work separately, so you can enjoy both an MTL experience or a DTL vaping experience. As you can see, it's super easy to remove and install, and the pod itself pops in with a satisfying click. Now with the dual output modes, there's an alternation working mode where two parts of the coil work one by one and the resistance is 0.8, suitable for an MTL. And there's also mutual working mode, which is two parts of the coil work together and the resistance is 0.4 ohms, suitable for direct to run. Of course, it does come with a coil, charging cable, and user manual like all the other ones you expect. And it's just a truly unique device. Thanks everybody for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.